Welcome to another video. We got a new power station to check out today. This one's from BougeRV called the JuiceGo. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just open this up and see what this power station is made of. Kind of reminds me of a shoebox, but I don't know where to open it. Well, let's see. Here we go. Ooh, quick start guide. And wow, check that out. And some cables. I'm definitely a fan of products that are well protected, so there's no damages in shipping. As you can see, this one is well protected. So a little bit of a unique design here. We've got a carry handle. It's got some weight to it. It's slimmer. Most power stations are kind of boxy, rectangular, whereas this one is obviously still a box and rectangular, but it's much slimmer, if that makes sense. Here's the ports that you've got in the front, along with a flashlight, and then on the side with the carry handle, you've got the actual plug outlet, and it looks like they've integrated a fan back there as well. And for cables, let's see what they gave us here. Ooh, we got two cables. I thought there was only one. We've got a car charger, so you plug this right into your 12-volt outlet in your car, and you can charge it up with this plug here. And then they also provided us a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so we're looking at the instructions here. 240 watt hour battery. It's a decent size for this size of unit. We have a 100 watt max input, 12 volt cigarette port output, has a 10 amp max at 13 volts. Now the AC output, which is probably what you're wondering the most about, has a 150 watt max capacity. And you can recharge this via a solar panel. You just need that proper cable to be able to plug it in from your solar panel right into the unit. So, long press to turn on or off, short press to turn on or off the screen. The 12 volt output will enter sleep mode after 1 hour of no output, and it can be reactivated by pressing twice in succession. Oh. I was wondering what this little thing was up here. I was like, is that a little solar panel? Well, of course it wasn't, but that's actually the display to give you all the stats about the power station. So that's pretty cool. So it came with a 26% charge, and it will actually tell you the exact watts going in and out of the unit. Just to verify that we do get power from the plug, I've got my 3D printer over here that will turn on. So first off, you want to long press the power button for the device to power on, and then you want to tap just once the AC button, and that turns the light on. And then you can plug it in the back. And if you can hear that fan, my 3D printer just kicked on, so we're working. And if we look at the output, it's pretty small, but it shows that the printer is taking 8 watts of power right now. Huh, that's pretty cool. And here's the light. So we have high, low, and SOS. That's pretty bright. Yeah. I'm always a big fan of having lights on power stations for emergencies. You have something that you can rely on. We have 2 USB-C outputs. On the device, it shows that it's rated at 100 watts and 30 watts respectively. And then it also has a USB-A output of 18 watts. Let's not forget the 12 volt output supply here that we have available. And when you need to charge the device, you can just plug it in right there, charge it from your car and you might even be able to charge it off the USB-C. You can stand it up on its side, on its front. This is a nice grab and go power station. If you ran like a 12-volt DC refrigerator off of this power station, you could expect to see roughly 4 to 6 hours of runtime. But depending on how often the fridge comes on, if it's really cold at night and it comes on once, it'll last the whole night. But if you're in a hot summer day and the fridge has to be on continuously, then you're gonna see more of the 3 to 4 hour range typically. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for checking it out. And if you're interested in this product, JuiceGo from BougeRV, I have some product links down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.